Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discover how can you download and install apps in iPhone or iPad without payment method. So simply, you can do it very easily. First of all, guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then you may click here on General, and here is the option of software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. After this, you may go back again, and guys, here is the option of your Apple account, so you may click here, and here is the option of subscription, so you may click here, and if there is any active subscription, you may cancel or remove them, or if there is any unpaid, you may also remove them. Then you may click here on payment and shipping, and you may remove all payment methods from here. Then you may click here on media and purchases, and click here on view account, and guys, you may change your country or region from here to that country where you live. If you live in USA, you may select United States, or if you live in any other country, you may select that one. So let's check, as I am selecting country from here, so click here on country and region, and you may switch to other country where you live from here, or you may change location of your iPhone to that country where you live. So let's check, as we may just wait, click here on change country and region, and if you live in USA, you may select United States, or if you live in any other country, you may select that one. So let's check, as I am switching my country, so click here on agree, and then guys, you may check none option will be show here, so you may select none. Then you may check that you may write your billing information. I am putting this fake one, you have to put your original. So you may write here zip code. If you don't know zip code, you may google this. Then you may write your phone number. Then guys, you may click here on next, and you may check your country region will be changed and your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods, guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.